Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion or Lincoln MKZ. Why all these three vehicles? Because all of them use that hybrid or energy engine guys. It's used in all of them, the powertrain is the same. If you need to remove or replace mass airflow sensor, stay with us, we'll explain that step by step. You need to remove the upper engine cover, all that will be covered, otherwise you will not be able to do it. Let me tell you a little bit about us before we start. Every single car guys we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. If you need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below as well. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, and you can save quite a bit of money. So let's go ahead, start on it, and show you how to remove and replace the mass airflow sensor today. So first we need to go ahead, okay, and now we're going to get that hose clamp loose. Okay, you can see this one, you can use a flathead screwdriver or you can use guys, okay, a 7mm. So we need to pre-loosen that one. This is the one for the intake that goes to the throttle body. Let's go ahead, do that. This one will be step number 1. So we gently get it loose, more because it needs to jump a lip so it can come out. Okay, you can see it's working like that. Perfect. Now if we grab it, okay, it comes out. Now right here we might be able to remove it from here too, because that's a very hard pipe that we can break. So let's go ahead. Okay, we're going to disconnect it from here too. Okay, that one. Okay, you disconnect it like that, you go to the side, you pull it out. Here you have another one that we need to remove. A little bit of a complicated design, everything is compact here, packed really good guys, so you have to be super careful. Take your time, because that's a hard pipe, there is a seal there, and if you pry on it too much you will break it. Okay, so let's go ahead, okay, and pull it out now. Perfect. Let's inspect the throttle body, in what condition it is. Okay, on the inside it's dirty guys, it's dirty. We'll have a special video that explains how to clean throttle body on our main YouTube channel, how to repair guys. Check it out, it's very important. If you develop symptoms of bad throttle body or you want to know the symptoms of bad throttle body, we'll have the video on the channel as well. So perfect, that one's ready. Now let's see. Okay, right here that connector needs to come up. Okay, that red thing needs to come up. You press here. Now unfortunately we have to remove, okay, there is electrical tape, okay, right here. Let's see if it's going to come out. Okay, okay, he did without cutting it. Perfect. So this one came out. Now that vacuum line, we need to pry that zip tie connector up. Okay, perfect, it came loose. Now that intake hose, that's for the air filter. Okay, let's see if this thing will come out. Okay, you can see kind of like here's a tooth right there. I need to just stretch it. No, it needs to come from like right here. Okay, perfect, came loose on that side. Now one more side. Okay, right here, let's try to pull at the same time while I'm doing that. One second, not yet. Okay, this one will come out. Okay, let's see if it's enough. If it's not, what we can do here, there is 2 bolts that you need to remove, and it will remove that pressure guys. So you'll be able to just simply get it out right here. Okay, that bolt started spinning quite a bit. Looks like a long bolt. Okay, longer than I thought. One right here that we need to remove. Okay, this will not work that way. We'll need to get a ratchet probably, or without extension. Perfect, great. Now we're going to go ahead. Okay, here it has a rubber seal, one here we need to lift up, and one right there that I broke loose. Now if we grab it, okay, let's see on the back side we might have another seal, and gently start pulling that thing out. Okay, let me see where we are hitting now. Okay, perfect. And you can see that whole cover, okay, came out. You can see just like that. So now if you guys, okay, have Ford Fusion or Lincoln MKZ, you will still need to remove that thing, okay, due to the fact that you will be hitting the coolant reservoir there, and you will not be able to remove the MAF sensor, which is located right there. So we're going to get the Torx 2, okay, this is let me focus somehow quick. Yeah, perfect. What is that? Torx 20. Torx 20, start looking big, and we're going to go ahead and remove 2 screws now. Careful not to drop anything in the engine. I would never recommend to take things apart in your engine bay. Always put it on the side. That way, on your floor or something, put a cardboard so you don't scratch things up. But if you drop a screw or something, you're not going to lose it, because if you drop it in the engine bay, you will lose it, or it can get in the throttle body, all that stuff, and that can cause quite a bit of trouble, guys, and you can mess up your engine. You go ahead, pull it out. This is your mass airflow sensor. That's where it's located on that hybrid engine that has been used in Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion, and Lincoln MKZ. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.